Hello, my name is Jason Marc-Williams. I am a theatre practitioner and an educator, and I'm currently the head of acting and voice at Laine Theatre Arts and a freelance theatre director. I think that people understanding and celebrating neurodiversity rather than being afraid of it, not necessarily everyone's afraid, but having clarity or to figure out how they can use that to their advantage within a session will not only help the teachers but help the neurodivergents have a much better experience. I mean, because I was thinking, it's only 45 minutes, there's loads I could talk about this. So I've gone for like definitions so people understand the language and the words around neurodiversity, because some people just may not have heard of those things. So I want to clarify what those are. And I also want to give them some understanding of specifics within that, under the umbrella. So we zoom in to like ADHD, autism and dyslexia are the three I zoom into in the time, and look at what those individuals are brilliant at and what perhaps they may struggle with, although every human is different. So it's like, has to be quite general. This could be something. And then from that, they're going to like analyze themselves and go, what could be the difficulties within this particular subject? What could they be great at? And I also send them away with what I'm calling the toolkit of things that will hopefully help them help their students. I think it's so important, and the benefits are huge in my opinion. I am someone that was diagnosed with ADHD at the age of 35. I'm 37 now, and the last 2 years of my life have made much more sense to me. And if only I had known that as a child, or worked with people that even knew that or talked about that and how that can affect you in the classroom and the learning environment, I wish I'd had that knowledge. I've done very well, but I've had to create weird concepts in my mind of how I get round neurotypical thinking, because the whole world is designed for neurotypicals, and I'm not. There's lots of information online where you can go, and they're quite good quizzes by like NHS and different companies that have, you can do a test that will kind of like, how does you think about this? And if you answer honestly with those, it will give you quite a high result to whether you have it or not. And then I would say, go for it. Speak to your GP, then you'll go through different companies and do it. And although there's a big waiting list at the moment, for me, it was the best thing because it just gave me clarity and peace and knowledge and acceptance.